We've done it again. It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on board our 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. It's the 1999. We're doing a cockpit video for you. We're going to do an inside video, and we're going to do an engine room compartment and startup video for you too. Comes with a little 3.5 horsepower Mercury outboard. It's virtually brand new. Has maybe 5 hours of running time on it. The owner is super picky about the boat. The upholstery's in perfect condition all around. The canvas is in great shape. The windows are, as I've talked in the video, are all new. It's got the bench seat all the way across, so him and her can sit side by side looking forward when they're operating the boat. 1,200 hours on the engines. One engine was fully rebuilt in Nanaimo 2 years ago. We have all the bills and invoices for it. So 1201 on the starboard, 1193 on the port. Has a generator on board too. Has electric hatch lift, an updated Lowrance hook. What is it? A hook 7. It's got an ICOM AC M330 VHF radio. But what a great boat. If you're looking for a clean Sunbridge cruiser this summer, this is the one to buy. Ready to go. Go boating this summer. Realistically priced as well. Have all the bills for all the work that was done. Please watch our inside video of the boat too. We're on board our 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. PacificCoastYachtSales.com. 604-708-1980. 30 years in the marine business under the Pacific Coast name. It's the reason we've been doing it so long, because we're good at it. We appreciate you watching our videos. Please give me a call to further discuss this boat. Again, it's a 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. It's a 1999. Thanks for watching.